Take a look at who gets all the glory, the privileges and the money. The best in business, sport, and life. The best get everything. This rule always applies. It would seem I am saying obvious things, but here is the surprising thing. Even those who've been in their position for more than a decade often forget this. From today, you need to aim for the highest bar. You need to be the best of the best at what you do. Study your work in great detail. Constantly work on improving yourself. Look for nuances and details which everyone else ignores. Hone your expertise every time and not from case to case. Give it all. Achieve perfection. Polish your professionalism like the most precious diamond on earth. It is not rocket science, as they say. Everyone, even the greatest experts and champions, once began from the scratch. The only difference is they weren't willing to put up with mediocre achievements. They weren't content with the runner-up prize. They aimed for the stars and did a huge amount to get an extraordinary result. But aren't you cut from the same cloth? Nobody can decide for you how good you are. Strive every day for excellence in what you do. Focus solely on this, and you will be astonished at what skill you can achieve and how this will improve your life.